Hi, I wanted to make a video on a triangle stand. So I got this from a Kawasaki 250. It's really light, it's portable, that's why I got it, because when I go on trips I don't want to carry the big stand. This is light and it's really useful, I think. I'm gonna take it apart, try it on, see how it sits on the bike, and give you guys a little review on it. And this is the stand itself. It came out to be $20. I got it from Cycle Gear. And this is the part numbers for you guys. The reason I needed this is because I didn't have any stands to begin with, and it just looks really simple to use. There's no parts you gotta deal with. It's all one piece and super simple to use. It goes in here right there, just like that. And then you can lean your bike over, just like that. So it doesn't give it too much of a lean, but it gives it enough so it doesn't tip over. This thing is really useful off-roading. When you go on little trips, it's easy to take along, easy to use. If you gotta do a little maintenance or adjust your carb or anything, you just pop it in, tilt your bike, and that's it pretty much. Yeah, I really like it.